The Tyranid warrior prime, Tyrannicus gladius primus, serves as a powerful synapse creature for Tyranid swarms and its potent commander of Tyranid attacks. The Tyranid's leadership caste is difficult for Imperial commanders to identify, and there is often mistaken assumption that the larger a Tyranid creature is, the more important it is to the swarm. This is a mistake that has cost more than one Imperial officer his rank and countless men their lives. This is especially true for Tyranid warrior primes, an evolution of the standard Tyranid warrior genes that elevated intelligence and a stronger link to the Tyranid hive mind. It has in fact only been in recent times that the warrior primes have been identified and reported to exist among the ranks of the various hive fleets, though many Imperial savants and Adeptus Mechanicus Magos biologists are quick to point out that this is less likely to be because they are a recent evolution and more likely because they simply blend in with the other standard Tyranid warriors. Primes are also being encountered in a greater and greater numbers within Hive Fleet Dagon, perhaps as a direct response to the constantly evolving tactics of Imperial forces and the Hive Fleet's need to deal with the elevated Death Watch presence in the Orpheus Salant after several costly encounters. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.